Guys, today back with another video, and we're doing Fun Monkey Horror 2, and you know I gotta play some music. Yeah. Alright. James, you know that song that goes like do 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 do?
No, I don't.
Bro, it's a freaking meme song. Well,
I'm gonna pause my music.
Well, Fun Monkey Horror 2 got rid of a lot of levels because the game was so laggy, you know? When I tried to post the other Fun Monkey Horror 2, it's so laggy. Like, I couldn't even post
they got
it.
rid of a lot of modes. They kept some.
Yeah, because my game was
Most
so
of them,
laggy
yeah.
last time I played this. Alright, so which level you want to do?
They said, wait, if you go over here, it says maps change for every Thursday. So, if we check right now,
Check
2
right
days
now.
ago was Thursday.
Oh, yeah.
So the map should have changed.
Okay, so should go check there.
Yes, there.
Go check there. I don't know why my audio good.
Yo, I'm so much more bright.
Yeah, I know. Okay, oh no, close the freaking door. Bro, it's so much more clear. It's not laggy. Cheese. I love cheese. Comment cheese if you love cheese, guys.
Oh, bear behind us, bear behind us. I saw a bear. Saw a
Alright,
bear.
guys, comment cheese, please. Cheese, please, you know?
No, I don't.
Alright. Wow. Oh, thank you for the bear face. Sick.
Bear face.
Oh, okay. I saw something, bruh. I saw something. Well, I didn't know how to play audio last time. I did like my first video, but now I know how to play audio.
Oh, I saw a bear. To the left.
So it's not creepy. That's the only reason why I'm playing this audio. For the viewers, you know, they're gonna be like creeped out if I don't play audio, right? You know, they're gonna be like, you can comment cheese or audios
Wait.
goat.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, comment audio
Yo, it's pretty
goat.
hard to lose me. Because,
I just usually will play Freckle and a Frackle, you know?
Oh my god, that.
I almost fell. Okay.
There's no changes. Let's just go through.
Yeah, there's no changes. So,
Do you want to try first?
let me stop the music because the lobby already plays music. Alright, when we get on the level, I'll play it. If it's scary, I'll play music.
Let's do blurred.
Oh, this one's not scary, guys.
Bro, 10! Why is 10 always in here, bro?
10 is in every lobby. Bro, it's one of my fans hacking. Yeah, guys, see, this level is not
Pac-Man
scary
is
at
not
all.
that scary. It's just Pac-Man, bro. What's so scary about Pac-Man?
Yeah, he just eats you because he's hungry.
Ooh!
Ah,
El bozo.
why is the jump scare?
What the? El bozo. El bozo.
The only reason why I question this level is the jump scare is so random.
I know, you would think it's just a purple blob. But no, it's Sonic.exe. Oh! Look at that juke!
Oh,
Get
broken.
Oh, snap.
Bro, juked so hard.
Bro's going into a corner. Oh, buddy got juked.
That was clean juke, bro.
Yep. Uh-oh.
Let's get out of this place. This is stupid.
Yeah, let me just juke him one more time. Oh, damn.
You were inside of him for me. Go! Freaking go.
Alright, let's go to
Alright.
level basic.
My head.
Yo, what's
Okay. Is this
Wait,
level
wait.
scary? Wait, no.
No.
Huh.
Yo, we gotta go.
Okay, well no, let's not glitch out of the
Aw.
freaking map.
the
Oh shoot. Why are the doors open?
doors are open, bro.
The doors are closed.
Look at them. My doors are open.
It really doesn't matter because either way they can't even get through. Alright. So one door is one door is okay, so one door is open and one door is closed. So you go out to this side, I go out this side.
No, you go out that side, I go out this side. Hi.
Okay, well, is this really scary? No, Jane. No.
There you go.
So yeah, this is not a scary level, but Jane.
Yo!
Oh,
Evan! Evan, you killed me, bro. Wait, I'm both my. Great, now both of my doors are shut.
You go on that side, I go on this side. Alright, James, you stay there. Bro, I just
Open the door. Well, shut your door, but open my door.
Got it. Ow!
Uh-oh. Oh my god. Oh! Okay. I'm
Ooh,
good.
but the He's still flipping camping.
Where's why he's testing me? That's why. Evan, no. I know what you're about to do. You're about to open that door. No.
Ah! James, help! Nature. Nature is beautiful. You could juke him, wait. You could juke him.
Evan, you better open up that door. Evan, open up the door! Oh, no. Evan, open the door! Open the door! Evan. This isn't funny. Evan, this isn't funny! Evan! Help, Evan! Ah! Oh my god.
No. Okay, brother. Yo, James. Let's go to housing. Let's go to housing one. Let's go to the housing.
Okay.
Alright. I don't know if the housing's lit. Oh, it's dark. It's probably scary for the viewers. Right? It's dark. Yeah, this one's scary. Let me play music for you guys. I mean, not scary to me.
Wait, is this door open or closed? Okay.
Hold up, wait. Music ain't playing.
I'm gonna shut
Alright.
that just in case.
Alright, there we go.
Also shut.
Let's go explore. I just like the music too, so I'm probably gonna keep going. Uh-oh. Stinky! Oh, stinky, stinky, stinky.
Just in time.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what? Yours is open?
You die from that again. Freaking frickle frackle on top of the frickle, bro. James? Yeah! No! Dude, really?
Evan. Then you sit there. I'm gonna run.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Evan, I got both of them chasing me.
Wow! Yeah! That's crazy!
And this one's also shut. Evan, this one's also shut for you.
Yes.
This one's also shut. Okay. This one's also shut. Evan. How is this open? I gotta keep it shut. Don't make me do it. Bye. Oh, what? It's exciting! Oh my god.
Huh.
This one's very clearly open for me. Oh my god.
I'm going back to the lobby, guys. I'm scared. What the save now? Alright. Alright, we're probably gonna film a part 2. We did 3 levels, that's crazy. Alright. You know, we gotta end it off. And at lobby, we have to. Lobby's just the most classical. Alright. Bye. Hold up. No.
Bye!
Bye. I gotta make a thumbnail. Alright, see ya.